Hey guys, and welcome to my mini series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Using a lot of the same techniques as we did with the leaf pattern, we will create a macrame flower using double half hitch knots and a berry knot. Using the 6 strands of rope on the left, we will create a petal. The strand on your left will be your filler cord. Tie 5 double half hitch knots to this cord moving down and to the right. Repeat the same process to create the bottom of the petal. When tying the 3 knots in the middle, leave a little bit of space between the knots that you tied at the top and the knots that you are tying now to create the middle section of the petal. Create another petal, this time working on the right and moving down and to the left. Create a berry knot in the middle. I use 5 half square knots here. You can choose to use 5 or more depending on how big you want the berry to be. Create 2 more petals. Start in the middle and work your way out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.